Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see SC-200-MICROSOFT Security Operations Analyst-Lab 19 explore entity behavior analytics in Microsoft Sentinel. Now in the previous video we have already created, scheduled and Microsoft Security Analytics rule. Now we need to configure Microsoft Sentinel to perform entity behavior analytics to discover anomalies and provide entity analytics pages. To do that, let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal. I'll go to Microsoft Sentinel and I'll click on the workspace that I have onboarded to Microsoft Sentinel. Now I'll select the entity behavior page. If you see it under threat management, it's okay, but if you do not, just type in entity here and you'll see it. Just click on it. It says enable UEBA, which is to benefit from a much richer set of entities, profiles, insights into the behavior of user, host, and more. You click on set UEBA. On the entity behavior configuration page that you see, I'll select the toggle to turn on the UEBA feature, which is this. I'll make it on. Only a global administrator or a security administrator in your Azure Active Directory can turn this feature on or off. So you should either be a global admin or a security admin to do this. It says sync Microsoft Sentinel with at least one of the following directory services. I'll say Azure AD, Active Directory. It's still in preview, but if you want to test it in your POC, you can do it. I'm going to go with default, which is enabled, which is generally available. I'm going to do select the existing data sources you want to enable for entity behavior analytics. I'll do for security events. After connecting the following data sources, you will be able to enable them for entity behavior analytics. If I connect it, okay, these are the prerequisites. This is already done. You close it, refreshing the data, you X out of it, and then you set the anomalies, and then you go for playbook permissions if you want to use the playbooks feature of that. Now if you want to confirm and review the anomalies rules, you come here. And now you will select the analytics page. Here under configuration, under analytics, click on anomalies. It says confirm status, column of the rule is enabled here. Now select any rule and drag it and then click on edit. Create an analytics rule that will run on your data to detect anomalies. Just review the journal tab. You now review the configuration tab. X out of it, which confirms that anomalies analytics rules are enabled. This is what you need to do to explore entity behavior analytics in Microsoft Sentinel. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.